I find myself alone when each day's through. Yes, I'll admit that I'm a fool for you.
What's this? Huh. Alrighty then. I guess we're gonna make some plant hangers. Wonder who done that. If you can't cut them with a miter saw, clamp them together, use a circular saw. Today's video is sponsored by Dee Dee Created It. You need to go check out her site below in the description to take you to her Etsy store where you can find all kind of handcrafted macrame, plant hangers, wall hangers, and other designs that she's come up with on her own. She's self-taught, self-employed, and doing a great job with the craftsmanship of making these beautiful designs. So go check her out, show her some support, and check out all the great items on for sale for her Etsy store. Well, there you go. A simple little A-frame display case you could use to hang plants to display on. You could take it to a craft show and sell product off of. It was a challenge trying to figure out how to keep it from racking, but with the support with the cross beams and tightening it down, it works really well. So I think it turned out nice. Just a little simple project you could do for, like I said, a craft show, or just to display something out in the yard, or to work off your macrame like my daughter does. So check out her site down below. Check out some of the tools I use. You also find links to those to go to Amazon for affiliate links. We appreciate it if you check those out. That helps a lot. So appreciate you watching, and as always, be kind to one another.